Hello, my name's Angelo Balistreri. Welcome to a PRIER PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes, where we're taking a deep dive into the item at hand, and not only will we go over features and benefits, but then we're going to include additional resources like a spec sheet, an IOM, that's the installation, operation, and maintenance instructions. We're going to give you a sales flyer, even a 30-second commercial that can promote the item at hand. This PKn5 is on the P-118 TrueTemp hot and cold frost-proof wall hydrant, where we take the dual handle operation and put it in a single handle. Let's get to the product. And now that we have the P-118 unboxed and ready to show, you can easily see what makes this different from any other hot and cold in the industry today. Instead of the dual handle approach, we've made an aesthetically pleasing single handle hot and cold, where your thermostatic dial rests in the handle, allowing you to go all cold or all hot and anything in between. Your outside handle is going to control your flow, allowing you to turn the valve on and off. And just like any other PRIER product, we pride ourselves in using heavy castings to ensure that this product is going to last the life of the plumbing system. The P-118 is no different. We're using brass for our handles, our head, our stem ends, our seat ends, all ensuring that this valve is going to last for years and years. And of course, code approval is very important for us, as we know it is for you. This product is ASSE 1019 certified. This means that it has passed the freeze protection test as well as the backflow test, ensuring no water makes its way back into your potable water system. Now, it also means that it is rated and tested to 125 PSI and can hold up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit on your water, making sure whatever you're throwing at it, this valve can handle it. Now, when it comes to ordering this product, there are a couple things to note. First is the finish. What we see here is our high-end oil rub bronze finish. This is a standard finish with our P-118, as well as our nickel plated. So our satin nickel plated brass and our oil rub bronze are our two standard finishes that we've offered all the way up until 2026. We now offer a third option of a matte black finish to go with any decor and any exterior, ensuring all applications fit any end user. When it comes to connections on the back end, we have 1/2-inch crimp PEX as well as 1/2-inch copper pipe. This allows you to either solder on, or if you can get your press tool in, you can press your connections on as well. They're also going to have 4 to 14-inch frost-proof protection on our models. Please note that the frost-proof is indicating where the valve will shut off. Please refer to the spec sheet to ensure you're encompassing the overall length, ensuring that we're making sure this will work for your application. Each one of these will come with its own mounting plate. With our mounting plate, you secure that to the wall, you slide your hydrant in, you lock it into place, and it has a set screw at the bottom, ensuring you have a nice, clean, polished finish on your install. Now, hot and cold has become very popular over the years, and we are simply making sure you have the most aesthetically pleasing product to give you whatever tempered water you need. So if you're washing the dog, you're washing the car, you're washing the kids, you want to fill up that hot tub, you want to clean out that trash can, you want to clean the barbecue grill, all these things are great when you have hot water. That's a whole lot of information coming at you all at once, and you may want to know, what am I supposed to do with this? We'd ask you to share it. Take this information, send it to your customers, to your plumbers, to your homeowners. Make sure they know about the P-118 single handle hot and cold by PRIER. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.